This is part 5 of the Learning Gothic Calligraphy the Easy Way tutorials series. The easiest way to learn calligraphy is to watch how it's done, then follow along and practice repetitively. So in this tutorial, I demonstrate the strokes that you can follow along rather than talking about it. I've also included links so you can download 3 PDF files of Gothic alphabets, numbers, and symbols. In order to view the subsequent parts of this tutorial, you may want to take time now to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and bell. So let's proceed with letters A to D. Before you start, make sure the flat part of the nib of your calligraphy pen is angled at 40 to 45 degrees as shown. Then draw the required margins with pencil. Please view part 1 about margins in this series if you have not yet done so. This video shows you the strokes for letters A, B, C, and D, both upper and lower cases. Now that you've got the hang of it in parts 3 and 4, you are now ready with these more tricky letters. They're trickier because of the curves and non-vertical lines. Now let's start and you can follow along. There you have it. Please also watch parts 1 to 4 and look for part 6 of this series. And please subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share.